Hello and welcome to this episode of What's in the Box presented by Pro Bearing Tools. Today we're going to look at the Simatec Seal Puller SP50 and these are available at probearingtools.com. We're going to take a look inside the box to see what you get. So if you open up the box, you'll see that this is a kit that comes in a very nice handling case, pretty slim, can fit in anywhere. We'll go ahead, open this up and let you see what's inside. So inside you're going to find the slide hammer set. So here is the slide hammer. It has about 10 inches of travel, about 3-pound slide hammer here, and then on the actually the handle here, this is going to give you a safe place to put your fingers so they don't get mashed. And then also because unlike if you're pulling a bearing or something like that where the puller attachment actually kind of holds the thing up, on a seal attachment you really need to hold here at the end while you're using the tool. So that's the slide hammer part of it. You're going to have two extensions, one extension just slightly less than 12 inches and then one that's right at 4 inches, and we're going to show this one today. So this screws right into the end of the slide hammer here. And obviously, if you need longer reach, you can use the longer extension there. Coming with the tool, you're going to get a pack of 60 of these threaded screw inserts. So this is going to be what attaches you to the seal. And you can see here, you have a threaded end that goes into the slide hammer extension, and then the point has more aggressive screw, looks like a wood screw type thread. That's going to go into the seal. So what you're going to do is you can just tighten this into the slide hammer. Okay, and then the larger attachment is going to tighten that, and then if you need to hold, especially on removal, you've got a flat there built onto the extension, both extensions that this wrench will hold. So that'll get you tightened up and in there. Now, so there's the complete tool with the short extension on it. Procedurally, with most Simatool, you have visual work instructions here on the back, or the back of the case cover here. So the way that this operates is the first thing you're going to do is try to pierce through the metal of the seal. So you put the screw up against the face of the seal, 3 slides of the slide hammer, that's going to get you into the metal of the seal, the oil seal there, and then you're going to make 3 rotations of the handle here. That's going to get you a bite into the seal, and then you're going to use the slide hammer to pull it out. So that's the full operation of this. This is the SP50 Simatec slide hammer puller set, and it's a great tool, well respected and used around the industry, available from U.S. stocking locations either in Houston, Texas area or Charlotte, North Carolina. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at probearingtools.com, and we'd love to help you.